Today, we're making a Sicilian brown rice salad. You're going to love this as a side dish, and it makes a tasty vegetarian meal. Start with the dressing. That's garlic, lemon zest, Dijon mustard, a little bit of kosher salt and black pepper, and lemon juice. Add olive oil just a little bit at a time. Whisk it constantly so that it emulsifies. For the salad, start with brown rice, diced red onion, asparagus, tomatoes, mandarins, kalamata olives, and chickpeas. Give it a nice stir just to mix up the ingredients, and then add the dressing a little at a time. You only want to use enough dressing to coat the salad lightly. Leftovers can be saved. To finish the salad, add toasted pine nuts and parsley and toss it to serve. This is a great light dish that goes with anything you pull off the grill. You're going to love it. Enjoy.